It is said by doing the pilgrimage around the Shikoku 88, some of life's worldly desires will dissipate, and eventually a person can reach enlightenment. Now, I sincerely doubt that I'm ever going to reach enlightenment, and it doesn't make any difference how many you visit or whether or not you see them all. Groups come via bus or tour groups. The whole point is that you do it. The pilgrimage follows the trail that Kukai walked in 815. Thereafter, all the Shikoku became a pilgrimage trail. It consists of the 4 parts of Shikoku Island, which mimic the Buddhist mandala. The mandala is symbol of the universe. The full length of the trail is 1,400 kilometers and can be started or completed anywhere. There are no set rules of where to visit or how many temples to see. You suit yourself. In these surroundings, hopefully one will become aware that there is something special and get a feeling of affection for ordinary things, which is enhanced by the warmth of others. We are called Ohenru-san, pilgrims, and some locals hold that pilgrims and Kukai are at one with each other, and in a spirit of generosity offer gifts of fruit and sweets. Temple number 6 on Rakuji, the Temple of Tranquility, was established by Kobodashi in 815. It is believed the monk also undertook the pilgrimage from Temple 11 to 12 and 80 to 82 during the same trip. Important cultural artifacts of the temple are its 2-story pagoda with an interior adorned with richly colored pictures, but unfortunately you can't go in there, and a Sakamatsu pine tree which protected Kobodashi from arrows of a huntsman who shot at the meditating hermit, mistaking him for a wild boar. We took a taxi from the last temple rather than making it to the bus stop because we got such a late start today. It's worth every penny of $25. These are shoe boxes. Once again, in Buddhist monasteries and ryokans, you cannot wear shoes inside. It's a good thing we took a taxi. Dinner is at 6 o'clock, and it's 10 to 6 right now. You have to lay out your own futons here. There's plenty of space to put everything out. Oh, there's an elevator. Got a small sink right outside our room, which is great. And there are toilets on every level. Men's and ladies. Perfect. Before we eat, they say a Buddhist blessing. Rice. I am not the Galbraith Gourmet or Julia Child. I never know what I'm eating. So I just eat everything because I'm starving. I know that's tempura. It's either crab meat or fake shrimp. Salad. Soup. Arigato.
はい、それでは今からですね、食前の言葉をお唱えいたします。一滴の水にも天地の恵みが得られています。
Temple number 6 is called Temple of Tranquility. Now, breakfast is served at 6:30 and everybody has to be out by 8:30. No problem. Oh, they've got these big bean things that I like. I never run in.